right, so we are starting now. This year. All right, so today I was saying I was going to show you some how to build some certain kinds of websites. We are supposed to start the class yesterday, but due to one or two things, we are not able to start it. So today I'll be showing you how to create a. I wanted to show you how to create an LMS website before, and that is what we will still do. I'll be showing you how to create an LMS website. The LMS website means a learning management website where people can come to your website and learn some certain skills you have, learn some let's say videos you have on a particular course, just like the one you can see on Otumba status. That is I think there was a time he launched a Facebook ad course, he launched a photo frame course and some courses. So you can see that when you go to the website, automatically you just have to pay. And once you pay, you have your own dashboard, your own unique username and password, so that when you log into your account, you can easily learn those courses right on the website, in which you would not need to download those videos on your phone. Automatically, you have it on the website on your own particular page, and you can start learning the courses. I hope you can relate with me.
Yes.
All right. So, and recently, people have been really building LMS websites because people are really scared of getting their course leaked out by other people or other people selling their courses. So they deploy the option of having their own website where they can have their courses there. And once there's anybody that wants to buy, they can easily come to their website and buy the course. So just like Udemy, Udemy.com is a learning management system. So that is also a place where you learn courses right on your dashboard. So Udemy is an LMS website. Also Coursera, that is owned by Google. It is also an LMS website. Also, we have other websites where you can learn. You can have a dashboard where you can learn skills, purchase skills right on the website. So this class might be in 2 segments or 3 segments, but we'll be so I was thinking we'll start yesterday, and by today we'll finish it. But since we are not available yesterday, the class will be in 2 sessions. That means we have 1 class today on the same topic, and also we finish it in our next class, because it's going to be we'll be creating the LMS website from scratch. We'll be creating it from scratch, and also we'll be adding the functions as if we'll be doing everything as if we want to launch the website. So that means we're creating the website from scratch with templates, with scratch and everything. And we also be adding the learning management option where they can have their dashboard, how to have their own dashboard, how to learn how to upload courses on the website, such that once they make the payment, they will be able to see the courses immediately on their page, on their dashboard. So we'll be getting everything from the beginning. So I can assure you that instead of using 3 weeks to create this certain kind of website, we'll be using our 2 classes. We'll be using just 2 classes to build it. So that is to let you know that we can create a website within 2 hours, because we'll be using 1 hour for it for today's own, and also 1 hour for the next class. And by then, we should have been done building the learning management system website. So let's get into it now. I hope you understand everything I said.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. So let me just go get started. I'll still be using my link. The class is being recorded, so you are safe. You can easily go back to watch it. So let's just get started. All right, so let's continue. So I think I have some pages here already before. So let me just delete them because I want to start afresh. Let me delete all those pages. I want to start an LMS website. So that is the same thing you would do before. Since I gave you a free subdomain, so you have to delete everything you have always been doing there, so you can have a new kind of website. So I'm going to be deleting everything. Everything, yes, I mean everything. I have to deactivate it first. The plugins, I have to
Why?
deactivate them
Why? Why are you deleting it? Can't it
because
be on the same page, on the
it
same site, on the same website?
it can be, but I am intentionally want to do everything again from the beginning. I hope you understand. So I want it to look as if my website is new. I just got the hosting and domain, and I want to start building a website. Do you get it now?
Okay, sir. So do we need to delete it also, or we should leave our own?
You can leave your own. You can leave your own because this is just practice. I want to show you how you can do everything from scratch, how to start your LMS website from the beginning. So with everything I've done on my website before, I can also still integrate LMS into it, but I just want to start from the beginning. So anyone that is watching this video next time can also know how to start from the beginning, because these videos might not, the recording might not be for you alone. I might decide to share it to other people, so they won't say, how did this guy do this thing before getting to this point? So I don't want to leave anybody confused. That's why I have to delete it and do as if I want to start building the elements from scratch. Do you understand? So there's no issues. You can still leave your plugins there. You can leave your pages there. But what I'm just doing is to try to build my old website from the beginning, acting as if I just got my hosting and domain and I want to start building my website. That is why I have to remove everything. So on your own part, you can leave yours and just continue. It still works together. I hope you understand now. Miss Faith, do
Yes,
you get?
sir. Yes, sir.
All right. All right. So just like the first thing I said, once you have your page, you need to go to your settings, go to your general. We've done this thing before, but just to refresh your memory, that is why I'm doing all these things. So now that we are creating an LMS website, I want my site title should be, I want my site title to be learning is learning is mandatory. That's just my site title. So my site title just be learn easily. This was done in the first class. I showed everything. So also I told that your membership, this membership option should be ticked so that anyone can register on your site. If it is not ticked, people will not be able to log in or register on your website. So I told you those are the first settings you need to run. Then you go to reading. Reading is okay. Then you go to permalinks and make sure this one is clicked. The post name, make sure it is clicked. So that is the first thing. Then we now go to our plugins and install some basic plugins we need. And the first one should be Elementor. So you can see that I'm doing everything from the beginning again just to refresh our memories. So that's why I said the class will be in 2 segments. So we finished the first one today, and if we are not done, we will continue in the second class. So we've used 20 minutes now. So I think I just need to be faster a bit. So Elementor is still installing. All right, so let me activate it. Okay, and I need to add another plugin. I told you that some essential plugin you need to add. So there are some plugins that are needed. Everything was done in the first class, so it is not new to us. So I'm installing the second plugin now. All right, I also need to activate it. All right, it's activated. So the third one, which is Royal Add-ons. Yes, if I'm correct. So I'm doing all these things to refresh our memories. I already have all these plugins installed. I deleted everything because I wanted to reinstall them for you to see. So for Miss Faith or Miss I don't know what the question earlier, that why was I deleting everything? You can see everything I deleted. I am also installing and activating it back. I'm activating it back just to make sure we are all on the same page. That's why I have to remove everything. So you can see that they are all right. So I hope you are still with me. So now I've installed the necessary plugins. So to the main plugin, I told you the difference between every kind of website is the kind of plugin you use. So the plugin used to create the main LMS website is a plugin named Tutor LMS. So let me drop the name of the plugin let me drop it on our Telegram channel. Plugin to create an LMS website is called Tutor LMS. So I sent to the Telegram group. That is the name of the plugin that is always used to create all those functions like having a dashboard, having a login button where you can upload your course, where people can see what you have on your website, where they can purchase the course and all of those stuff. So that is the only plugin needed that will make, you don't need to have a lot of plugins to create a an LMS website, just like Udemy. The only plugin needed presently now is Tutor LMS, but I won't be installing it yet now. I still want to design the pages on my website, how I want my website to look, how I want it to look, how beautiful I want it to be, so that when I'm done designing the website, then I will now set up the Tutor LMS where I can now upload courses for people to buy and all of that. The reason why I'm doing this is to have my website put in order so that I will not start uploading courses and everything, whereas I've not designed the website to be beautiful. So I want to design the website first. When I'm done designing the website, I will now install the Tutor LMS plugin that will allow me to be able to add courses, also make people have the courses on their dashboard, buy the courses, and all of that. So I want to install a theme now, appearance themes. I think I already have Astra installed. I already have Astra installed. So let me just install a template. So for this training, for this part, we'll be installing a template. And also we'll still be adding our own from scratch. Since we already have knowledge of scratch, so as we're building a template, we also be adding scratch to it. So install importer plugin. Just like I said, it's that plugin that will allow us to be able to see the templates. So these things have been done in the first class. So if it's getting new to you, then you have not done well. You need to go back to the first class to check. So let us go for a starter template. Also, we see the adding from scratch, also building from scratch, but you'll just need to install templates so that our work will be more easier and faster. So let me just go for Tutor. So let me just go for some. You can zoom your screen if you are not seeing it well. Let me go for education. Okay, you can see online courses LMS. So let's just click on LMS. It's a template. So you just need to choose for the one you just need to choose the one you like out of the template. So it's still loading. I think we just go for the first one. Let's just go for the first one so that we won't take the time. Since we are still going to be adding the knowledge of Scratch, so we can just go for the first one. Or which one? Which other one can I go for? Okay, I think I'll just go for the first one. So it's still loading. So once you have it, you already know this place. Just click on skip and continue. Just
Sir, this Telegram that you're using on your laptop, did you install it or you are just using the web link? Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I was asking before the network threw you out that this Telegram you are using on the laptop, is it the web link or you installed Telegram?
Yes, I just went to Google, clicked on Telegram download, and it was within 2 minutes. It was already on the system. I was surprised also. It was like a software. It didn't even take 2 minutes to download and install. So you can also go for that. All right, so we all know this place. We all know this place. I'm just doing all these things just to import the template. So I need to be faster, a bit faster because of our timing. So the template is being installed on the website. So you can see I installed an LMS website template. So to make our work more easier. So what we need to do now is just to re-edit some certain parts of the website. And if I feel like I don't love this part, I can delete it and add my own. Since I have the knowledge of building from scratch, so this is what I will be doing. If I don't like the template, if I don't like a section of the template, I will delete that area and add my own because I can also build from scratch. So it's getting installed. Let's just hold on while it is being installed. Okay, while it is being installed, is there anyone that has question while it's getting installed? Miss Faith, do you have any questions so far? Is Miss Faith here?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, I said, do you have any questions so far?
No, sir, you've answered my question.
Okay, Mr. Alad, do you have any questions so far based on what we have been installing and everything I've said?
No, sir.
Okay, Miss Evan, I said, do you have any questions so far about what I've installed and everything I've been doing?
No, I'm fine. I'm clear.
Oh wow, we are all experts now. Miss Inem, do you have any question? Miss Larry, do you have any questions so far? All right, thank you so much. That means we don't become all of us don't become experts now. So, and I know what I'm doing itself is not new. We all know how to install a template. So let's go ahead. The template is almost done. All right, it's done. It's done. Redirecting. All right, so the website is done. So let us check it and see what I have. Let's just check it and see what I have. So you can see now that I have home, I have all courses, I have about, I have contact, I have my account. So you can see the work is much more easier already. So just like I said earlier, I will just be
Is it
designing.
possible to build it from the scratch?
No, we are using templates.
Is it possible to build from the scratch?
Yes, it's possible now, but because this training is a short one, and that's why I'm installing a template. And because of working with templates, I will be showing you how to also use Scratch because since we install a template, there will be some certain things there that came with the template that I don't like that I would love to delete and add my own. So if you don't have the knowledge of building from scratch, you won't be able to add your own. But in this class, I'll be showing you how to also add your own, which means that I'm also showing you how to add from scratch. Because normally, I think in the second class, I also showed you how to build from scratch. So now building from scratch should not be an issue to us again. So that's the reason why I'm even installing a template now is because I want it to be faster. You know, I told you installing template makes your work faster. But while we are installing template, if I see anything that I still want to edit, like I don't like this aspect of this template, I want to delete it, I will delete it and add my own. The reason why I'm able to add my own is because I already have the knowledge of building from scratch. So if you cannot build from scratch, there's no how you can delete a section and add your own section. So while I'm showing you this, I'll also be explaining how to add from scratch with it. So I hope you understand now, Miss Inem. Do you understand what I mean?
Wait, yes, I understand.
So as you are building with templates, as you are editing this LMS setup with templates, in this course also, I'll be also showing you how you can be building from scratch at the same time. So as we are building from templates in this 2 days class for this LMS, as I'm building it with templates, I'll also be showing you how to build it with scratch. So we are doing the two together. It's interwoven. So as I'm showing you how to edit the templates, I'll also be adding some sections that I'll be using scratch to edit. So you can be safe. You can
Sorry,
be safe about
please. Sorry, please. I want to ask a question.
Okay, okay.
So the building from scratch that we've been doing and that we will be doing is basically download a template, then probably one of the pages, then you build from scratch. What is it possible if I do not even like download any templates to start with? So I think this
Yes,
is what I want to do.
yes.
Can I just go
You
for it
already
without any
Yes,
template?
good. Yes, good. If you don't want to go for a template, you don't need to install a template. You can easily build from scratch. If you don't want to have a template, you see everything that is on my screen here, you can also build it from scratch. And that was the reason why I told you to build a special page that day so that you can know your ability while building from scratch. I told you that I gave you a task that everybody should build a particular page and name it practice page, and all of you should build it from scratch. So if you feel like you want to create the LMS website without installing a template, obviously you can do it. You won't have to install a template. Everything you can see on my screen now, all these things can also be built from scratch. Everything can be done from scratch. So I will also, while I'm working on this template, I'll be adding some new options. I will be adding to it with scratch with the idea that we already know how to build from scratch. So I hope you understand, Miss Ebu.
Yes, I do. Thank you.
But if we did not install this template, this navigation um this navigation site that has home, all courses, about, and all of that, as in, if we're to start build from scratch without this template, we'll not have all of this now.
Yes,
So we'll be the one to create all of them.
yes, that is very good. Now you are with me. You'll be the one to create them one after the other. And after you've created them, you'll be the one to add them to the navigation menu. Do you get now?
Yes, yeah.
But the reason why we use template is to make the work faster.
Well,
So
I think
now I
I
don't want
think
to use 2 hours to build this website. If I say I want to start
I'm
building
sure.
from scratch,
Yeah, I'm sure we would have
if I
all
tell you I
loved
want
to
to
see
if I say
build
I want to
from
start building from
scratch.
scratch now for this section, how to build a LMS website, you can be rest assured that we use. What did you say, man?
What
Hello,
I'm saying,
Miss.
what I'm saying is that I'm sure we would have all loved to see you build from
Uh,
scratch.
so no
Since
problem.
you already
You can
know
build
how
from
to
scratch. You can
install
build with.
it.
So I think I get what Mrs. Inem is saying. So like
Oh,
instead of downloading a template, you can just show us, say, I want to start from scratch. So where do I go? How do I
Yes,
like go to
yes, yes,
select a frame
okay,
to
okay. So
use?
you are saying instead of using
Something
this
like that.
template, instead of using a template
yes,
now, we should build this from scratch. All the
yes,
pages from scratch.
yes, please, yes, please.
Are we all going for that? Miss Faith, are you going for that? We should build everything from
Yes.
scratch.
Yes, please.
So I think
Yes,
so we know how to
Miss
start
Faith, are you going for
basically.
that?
So with that.
Miss, Mr. Allard, are you also going for that? We should build everything from scratch.
In fact, sorry. So for
All
me,
right, all right. I don't know the other two persons are not asking.
I'm with you, sir.
Okay, okay, all
Just
right.
ask the question that can we build from the scratch? But since you've showed us the template, I think the only thing is just to edit it, which is much more easier. I think building from the
easier,
scratch
yes.
is the major thing.
All right.
So I think
Okay, so that's
sorry,
good.
I have
Let's
an
build from
idea.
let's build. Okay.
So I don't think we have to build everything from scratch. You can just
Okay, I can
show
hear you.
us. I said I don't think we have to like build all our
I
pages from
can hear you.
scratch. You can Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Okay, no problem. I think your network is breaking.
Yes, sorry, can you hear me now?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me now, sir?
Yes, I think your network is breaking.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry about that. I said we don't necessarily have to build like all
Yeah, I
our
can hear you
pages
now.
from. I said we don't
Yes, I
necessarily
can
have
hear
to
you.
build all our pages from scratch. You can just show us, say for example, we do not have a template, how to start. Then after showing us like the process, then we can go back to building with our templates. But first you can show us how to start like with no template at all.
Okay, okay. So
Yes.
I would delete all the pages that came with this template now. I will delete everything now and we'll get started with Scratch. I hope you can get me. So we'll get started
Fine.
with who is speaking?
I said that will be fine. Thank you.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. Right. So I think I've deleted the pages. I think I've deleted the pages now. Let me see the website. All right. So can you see what I have now? I hope you cannot see what I have on my screen now.
Yes, yes.
All right. So that means
Yes.
I've deleted all the pages that came with the templates, and it means I have removed all the templates. I have removed everything. So now we want to build from scratch. So this is my dashboard. This is my dashboard, and I already installed the necessary plugins. I've installed all the plugins needed for the training for this LMS website. So since I've installed the plugins, that you can see them, then and I must be sure that I've installed a theme. You know, I told you either you're using templates or you're building from scratch, you must have a theme installed. So let's say I already have my abstract theme installed. As you can see, I have abstract theme here and I've installed it. So instead of going to install a template, I will just go to pages and add new since I'm building from scratch. So you can see pages, then you can see add new. So that means this is the first page I am ever building from scratch. I don't have any templates, I don't have anything. If you go to my website now, you're not seeing anything. So this is where we get started. Then the title of the page, let's say this is our home page. You know, I told them we are building from scratch now. So this page I want to build will be our home page. So then we edit with Elementor. I told you we'll be editing with Elementor. We have 20 minutes to the end of this first class. So, but I'm sure we'll cover a lot of things. So if you go to the website now, this is the website. You can see I don't have anything here. There's no template, there's nothing. So this is the first page I am building. Oh, what's that? What's that? Sorry for that. I don't know why it took me back. Home page. Yes, edit with Elementor. That was the page I just created now. That is why it is appearing on other pages. So after creating the home page from scratch, we will also create the contact us page from scratch and everything. I don't know why this is coming. I don't know why this is coming. I think it was because I have used it to create a particular template before. That is why it's giving me this option. Let me just try it again. Off. I don't know why it's bringing me this. Said doesn't have a default kit. Seems like your kit was deleted. Please. Oh, oh what's this? Okay. I think I've solved that. Let's go back to editing. I don't know. It was bringing an error message. So edit with Elementor. I hope it works this time around. Okay, it worked. It worked. Alright, I hope you are with me.
Before. What happened before?
Miss Faith, I hope you are with me. What did you say?
What was the error? What happened that you corrected? I was
I think
curious to know.
okay, because I already installed a template before, so the system was still reading that I have the template installed. So that was why it took me to that place, and I just click on regenerate and all of those stuff we saw. So I just tried it. It's not as if I know that was the thing. That was the next thing to do. I just tried it. That was why I was not carrying us along. But if you follow the video, you saw that that thing redirected me to that page, and I just clicked on those things that was there. That was what happened. So, hello, is anybody asking a question? All right. So now we are creating the first LMS page from the scratch. So to remove this header, this learning is mandatory. I think you can remove it. Just go to this option down here that says settings, tap on settings, then you see this add title, then you tap on add title. So I think it came with the header. So we know how to remove the header. We will remove it later from the customize option. So now we want to create our first session from scratch. And I told you need to click on the plus icon here. Let's tap on the plus icon, click on the first box. And I told us we need to locate the height angle here. Please, you need to follow this training where this is from scratch. We are building the website from scratch. So this is the height. You just need to click on minimum height. And you can see this, you can see, you can just set it to 600. That is going to be the height of the page. Then you go for mobile view also. I told you just tap on the laptop, since I like laptop, tap on mobile. So you can see the section is so long on mobile. So you just need to reduce it also for mobile. You can see. Then click on update. Then you can return it back to laptop view. Yeah. So now we want to work on the background. So you just need to go to style. Just need to go to style, go to background. You need to choose a picture. You need to go to our gallery. Let me go to media library if I have any picture here. Oh, let me upload from my gallery. So this is from scratch, an LMS website. So I think I have which picture should I use? Okay, let me see if this would be allowed. Let me use this. Okay, this is the background first. Then I told you to make it more beautiful, you can go for background overlay, and then we choose gradient here. Then the first color, you can make it blue. You know, blue depicts learning, so you can go for blue. Then the second color here, you can make it also blue. Blue depicts learning. It depicts learning. So now that we have, so you can see now the site is becoming beautiful, just the home page alone. Then the first thing is to drag a text inside and heading, make it to be in the middle. So this is where we'll be needing our suggestion, because I don't have the content already. So you need to suggest which content we should add as our first thing and everything. So can we suggest how can I add which text can I add? You know, we're building an LMS website. So anything you will be speaking about should be about learning. So can I have our suggestion?
What type of site? Is it
It's an
marketing?
LMS
Is it
website.
for business?
We are building an LMS website, a learning management system website. So anything we are writing there should be. All right. So is there anybody that wants to try? Like, what should we write as our heading here?
Fashion world.
Okay, what fashion?
Fashion word. So you don't want to learn about fashion?
Don't learn about fashion now.
Okay. So let's just make it something related to fashion. Let's just say, welcome to DP's fashion world. All right. So they want to learn here. You want them to you want it to be a website where they can come and learn fashion designing. So once we've done this, I need to change the color. Just click on style, then let's choose white, or let's choose white. Then the text stroke, because it's looking as if it's too, so just increase it by 1, or let's use text shadow. You can just see those effects. Just work on those effects. Let's make it more dark. Yes, I think it's now good. Welcome to Dan Baba's fashion world and something like that. So let's add a subtitle. A subtitle which I said you're going to use text editor. You know, the reason why I'm getting fast is because we already discussed this in the first class. I already discussed a few things on how to design Scratch. So just drag in the text editor, drag it inside here. So what should we make the subtitle? You know, we said it's about learning. So what should we make the subtitle? What should we make the subtitle? Please, let's respond.
For male,
Miss Faith, what should we make as the
female,
subtitle?
children.
Miss Inem.
Yeah, I said learning for male, female, children, everybody.
Okay, I can't really get you.
Come
I
and
can't
learn.
Okay, let's make it one. Let's make it
A place for everybody's style. I think something like that.
Yeah, I wanted to speak about them coming to learn, because we want them to come and learn on the website. We want to have a page where they can learn how to do fashion, how to sew, how to do all of those stuff on the website. So I think you should use a
I
one-stop.
learn about the world of beauty, like fashion world of beauty or something. Come learn about how to create fashion and create a world of beauty out of fashion.
Okay, I think I love that. Okay, I think I should just leave it as come and learn everything about fashion. Okay, let's make it to be in the middle, and also the color, and also the text shadow, which should be black. Should be black, and let's make it italic. That is typography. No, that's not typography. It should be, yes, it should be typography, then style, then italics. So come and learn everything about fashion. Let there be full stop in front. 1, 2, 3. Please, we need to really go back to this video and watch everything I'm doing, because we are building from scratch. Oh, then the picture at the back does not even show fashion. So let me change the picture. Let me change the picture at the background of this stuff. Oh,
Picture, sir. Is that your picture?
Eh?
Is that your picture?
Yeah, so that's my picture. Oh.
We don't know your face.
All right, let me just choose this. I think this should talk about fashion. Let me just choose this one. Let me choose this one. This is fashion. That one is not talking about fashion. So you just need to choose because it's getting repeated. Just need to choose on repeat. You see, I told you choosing repeat. We don't want it to repeat, so just choose no repeat. Then position, it should be center. So it should be center B, bottom center. Okay, so we are good with that. So you can see it's more beautiful now. So let's check our website and see if it is showing there. Oh, we've not added this to our navigation menu. So let's go back to our website. So we want to set it so that it can appear, just like saying we should we want it to be our home page. So the first thing to do is to come to settings. You know, it's not from scratch now, and it's not from template now. So you need to come to settings. Once you come to settings, you go to reading. You go to reading. Then you choose your home page. Your home page. Can you see your home page? Your home page displays. Click on a static page. Then the home page, you choose the home because it is home. You want it to, the home I created now is what I want people to see when they click on my link. If it was a template, it will show automatically. But since it is scratch, these are the things you need to click by yourself. So just click on home and click on save changes. That's not all. You need to add it to our navigation menu. So we go to appearance, we go to menus. We want to add it to our menus. So menu name, want it to be primary. Then we are reading from scratch. So primary menu, create menu. If it was scratch, if it was template, everything will appear automatically. But now we have to add it ourselves. So this is the only page we have now, which is the home page. So click on home page and add to menu. So you can see it here. Then you click on save menu. So let's check our website now and let's see what we have. Yes, so this is our website, and you can see we already have this thing. We already have the what we are designing our Elementor here, and also we already have our home page navigation here. So Miss Inem, are you with me?
Please, I am following.
And I'm sure you understand.
Yes, I do.
So you can see it's not actually hard to also build from scratch.
No, it's not. It's not really.
So the thing is, I already took longer time installing a template, whereas I didn't know everybody wanted us to build from scratch. You should have set your mind earlier when I started. It would have saved us a lot of time. I hope you understand. So now we already have this on our website. So let me go back to my Elementor. So is there anything you would want us to add at this section? So from my own end, I would want us to have a button here, a button that should show them learn now. Probably the learner should take them to one of our courses. So let me just set it here. Let me just then text the text or the button. Just put it here. Learn now. Update. So whenever the link is ready, the link I want to put here. I'll just add it here. But for now, the link is not ready. I just need to edit the button. So I'll just go. So once I edit the button, I'll just go to style. Then the color. I want to change the color to, let me just say blue. Okay. Let me just change the color to this. All right. So updates. So is there see any other thing anybody wants us to add to this section? Hello, are you with me? Hello? It's Faith. Are you with
So
me?
I think
We are here. We are here. I'm here.
now.
So let's. Hello? Can you hear me?
Sorry, I think we can move to the next section now. Then can I like, for example, I think Miss Inem said, we are catering for men, women, and kids. So can I like share
All right.
Makes
So
sense.
now that we are done with this section, right? So let's have another section. Let's go to
Yes.
Elementor.
Yes.
All right. Let's go to Elementor. Let's add a new section again. Then now I'll be choosing these three options just to add
Sure.
another design to our website. So let me be going for these three sections. So as you can see, I have a new three sections. So I want to design it also. I want to add the text heading here. All right. Also, I want to add another text heading here. I also want to have another text heading here. So I want this, the first one should be for women. This one should be for men. I'm just doing all these things from my head. Now as if I have the
Okay.
content anywhere. So then for kids, right?
Yes.
All right. Oh, I added right. So for kids. All right. So I just need to change the color. Let me change the color. Let me just use, I think I should use black. I can always change the color if I don't like them. So, but for now, let's just use black. And this also, let's use black. All right. I don't want the, this is box. This is a box. I don't love the way it is. It is not showing like a box. So just tap on this place. This still that look like a window. So just go to, let's go to style. Then we go to border. Then you can see box shadow. Then just tap on it. You can see now. Let's look as if it's popping out. So let's do same thing for these two. Let's do same thing. Style. Then border. Let's also give it box shadow. Then for keys 2, doing the same thing. Let's give it style. Then border. Then box shadow. So you can see that this is another kind of design. So now I want to continue for women. For those that want to learn how to sew for women, so we can just add another write-up underneath. We can use the, I think we can use the icon box. Yes, I don't know if I installed the plugin. Info box, yes, icon list. So just drag it here. Can you see? Can you see that?
Yes.
All right. So
Sorry, I
let's
want
just
to ask a question and also like say something.
okay.
For this section, I think there should be, so for example, we are trying to put like an heading for this next section, probably an heading that says what we offer.
You know, I was saying
Do
the
we
reason why I
really?
did this session is we want it to be a kind of website where people can come and learn how to sew for women, how to sew for men, and also how to sew for kids.
Yes, but I'm saying when we just have for men, for women, for kids, what exactly are we talking about? So I don't know, but I think there should be a like a sub
Okay,
title for
okay.
that section. No, not subtitle, sorry. Like a subtext for that section that say, oh, okay, so this is what we are talking about. So maybe what we teach you or what you will learn or what we are
Oh,
offering, something like
all
that.
right, all right, all right. I think I understand you. So let me do that. All you need to do is to drag an heading, this heading, you need to drag it to the top of these three sections here. So let's just do is drag it here. Oh, sorry. Okay. There's a plus icon here. That means you want to add above this section. You want to add a new section above this section. So just tap on plus,
Okay.
then tap this, then tap just a single one. So then let's drag this heading inside. So you can see. So what can we name this? Available, let's say available trainings.
Course is, yeah, well, available trainings, yeah.
Available trainings. Then let's put a sheet column in front of it. Then I think I should just go for a blue color. All right. So yeah, I think
Also, sorry, what about spacing?
yes, I'll add it now. So just need to drag another spacer. This is the icon for spacer. So just drag this
Yes.
spacer also underneath available and you can see there's space already. So right here with this space, you can decide to increase or reduce it. So we click on update. So let's go back to our icon list. So let's say for women, let's say what we want them to learn. Let's say the first one is Ankara gown. Click on duplicate. Let's just edit it. Let's say which other style does lady have? Okay, let's just say ready to wear. Then the third one, let's say which other style do people have? Corporate shirt. Let me say corporate gown.
Corporate dress.
Okay, corporate dress. Then update. Then let's put a button underneath that will show that okay, this person wants to learn only for women. Maybe he only wants to learn for how to sew for women. Then let's just drag the button down it under it, and also still name it what? Learn now. Don't forget all these buttons. We will be fixing a link inside later once we install the TutorLMS plugin that will allow us to be able to offer learning on our website. So that's still designing how we want it to be. So you can see that if it was templates, it would have gone far than this. How do you know? That is just the difference. So to avoid
but this one will make your work more beautiful.
Yes, okay. So now that I already fixed for women, I want to fix for men too. So to make my work easier, I can just copy this one and copy it here, then edit it. So you can see this pencil icon here. Let me right click, then copy. Then you come here, right click and paste. You can see now. Also for keys, I will right click. Also for keys here, I will right click and paste. So I just need to tap on it and edit all those things that are there. So for men, let me just add suits. For men, so let me add corporate dress. Which other style that will do? Women ivory. So vintage shirts. So this is what they want to learn if they want to apply for men training. So you just need to right click here, also copy. Instead of dragging a new button here, I just want to paste it here to make my work much more easier. Then I paste here, and also I paste here. So let me edit for kids. What can we add for kids? Let's say kiddies wear. Which other thing? Let's say gowns. Which other thing? Gowns. Which other thing can I say? Help me now. I think can I put the I want it to be 3D. Okay.
Jump seats.
Huh?
Jump seats.
Drum. I have not heard that one before. Can somebody?
Jump.
Okay, jump. Okay.
I think it's
So as you can see now, I've successfully created another section. So now, if there's anybody coming to this website to come and learn only how to sew women clothes, all they will need to do is to just come here, click on the learn now. This learn now will take them to where they will make payments and learn the course immediately. If they want to learn for men, they will have to do this, and also if they want to learn for kids, they have to click on learn now. But because we have not installed the TutorLMS plugin, we have not uploaded any course. That is why I'm not putting any link inside these buttons for now. As you can remember in the first class, I told you to create a practice page, and under the button, you should put your WhatsApp link. But now we are not putting our WhatsApp link. What we are putting will be a link of the course that we uploaded on our website. But for now, we have not uploaded any course. We have not installed the TutorLMS, so we won't be able to add any link. That is why I said we are first going to design our website. Then when we are done designing, we'll now start adding the link, adding the TutorLMS plugin. So I hope you understand.
Yes, but what if we have other things we want to add along the way, even after installing the TutorLMS?
Yes, you can still come back here and add it. It doesn't mean even after installing the two elements, you can still come back here and still add any other thing you want to add. You can keep adding and adding and adding. But I just want to do everything step by step. So that I will not
Okay.
install two elements now, install this one, and I'm just confusing you left and right. But I just want to get this one done. I will now install the next one. I hope you understand.
Okay.
All right, so let's check our website now and see what we have. Let me refresh. All right, so as you can see now, I already have this on my website. So far so good. We started late and we didn't get on point early, so I will have to end the class now. But I can assure you that in our next class, we will finish setting up our website and every other thing, and that is on Thursday. Are we agreeing to that?
Go, sorry. The learning is mandatory, supposed to be our logo.
Yes, because I've not changed it. I've not changed it now. Should I quickly change it?
No, well, if you'd like to.
You can.
All right, let me quickly change it. I already tapped on it already. Customize. I'm sure we know this one. So I shouldn't be able to. You should be the one explaining to me how to do it safe now. So that is header builder.
Header. Yeah.
Then site title and logo. All right. This is the site title that is appearing. So I'm going to off it first. Display site title. Then select logo. I think I have one bag here I used to use. It's not here. Let me add a new logo. I think my logo should be here. Should have a logo here. Oh. All right, let me use this my logo. All right, so let's use this logo. So you can use this. Once you set a logo, you have this option, so you can just increase it or anything, then publish. So it's published now. Let's go back to our website and also check again. All right, so you can see now that I have my logo, I have my navigation menu home, and I also have the pages I have built, and the first page I have built from scratch. So we'll be continue from here in the next class. Miss Ine, I think it was Miss Ine that actually told us to start building from scratch. Was it Miss Ebu?
All of us.
So we have started building from started building from scratch, and you can see how far I have gone. So we'll continue from here in the next class, and I can assure you that we are going to finish building from scratch the home page and every other page in our next class. It was because we started wrong. Like I went ahead to install a template, whereas I should have started from scratch. So I'm sorry about that, and that is why the time was gone. But in the next class, since we know we are using Scratch, we just resume back here. So I would advise us to go back to everything I have done, so that in the next class, which is Thursday, we will not have issues with this. All right. So I didn't forget our assignment also. All right, Mrs. Inem, are you saying something?
Yeah, it's as if we changed our class days, because it used to be Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Oh, sorry. Yes, that's true. Oh, so we're not supposed to have class today?
Yes.
Oh, it was a mistake from me. I never
we
knew.
can still have two more classes.
Just because of
I thought we're making up for yesterday's classes today.
Oh, I was even thinking today was the class. That was it. So that means we are continuing with our class tomorrow.
Yeah, we still have tomorrow and Thursday to go.
Yes, so there's no free time. So we have it tomorrow. I am calculated. So it's a blessing in disguise. So we continue from there tomorrow and Thursday.
Tomorrow and Thursday, yes.
Please, your assignment. So some two people submitted assignment on WhatsApp. I've not been able to check it. I was preparing for this class. That was when your message entered. So I will check it after the class. And also somebody asked questions earlier about WhatsApp login, WhatsApp link, and another person has a particular question. Please kindly send them to me on WhatsApp. I would respond to them immediately. The time is fast spent. So please do it to watch the videos again. I will drop the recording and we'll start from there tomorrow. But thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.